Today, I'm going to show you how to switch back from Facebook Business Suite to Business Manager. This is helpful when you need to access advanced settings or manage multiple business assets that aren't available in the simplified Business Suite interface. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log in using your Facebook business account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. Take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. From here, click on your Facebook business page. This is usually listed prominently in your shortcuts section, making it easy to access quickly. After clicking on your business page, you'll be directed to your Facebook Business Management page. This is where you can view your page's performance and manage various aspects of your business presence. Now on the left navigation menu, locate the Meta Business Suite option and click on it. This will take you into the Meta Business Suite environment, which is Facebook's streamlined tool for managing your business activities. Once you're in the Meta Business Suite dashboard, look towards the top of the page and click on the Profile drop-down menu. When you click this, a business portfolio selection will appear. This menu shows all the business accounts and assets you have access to. From this menu, locate the gear icon, which represents your business settings. Click on this gear icon to access the business settings area. Now you'll find yourself on your Meta Business Manager page. Here's where things become pretty straightforward. The Business Manager interface gives you access to more advanced features and controls compared to the Business Suite. You'll notice a more comprehensive menu with additional options for managing ads, pages, and other business assets. If you need to switch back to Meta Business Suite at any point, simply click on the Home button located on the left navigation menu. This will redirect you back to the Meta Business Suite dashboard, allowing you to toggle between both interfaces depending on what you need to accomplish. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated from Facebook Business Suite to Business Manager, giving you access to the more advanced business tools and settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.